Many people truly want to speak English, but they feel stuck every single day. They understand some words, they watch videos, they even try to learn, but when it comes to speaking, something stops them. Their mind suddenly goes blank, their heart starts beating faster, and fear takes control. They begin to doubt themselves, thinking they are not good enough or that English is too difficult for them. If you feel like this, you are not alone. Millions of people around the world are facing the same struggle. But here is the truth. The problem is not your intelligence, and it is not your ability. The real problem is the way you are learning and the fear that is holding you back. In this podcast, let us deeply understand why you still cannot speak English and what is really stopping you from improving. Once you understand these reasons clearly, your journey will become much easier and more confident. The biggest reason you cannot speak English is fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, and fear of sounding wrong in front of others. This fear silently controls your actions and stops you from even trying. You may know the sentence in your mind, but you hesitate to say it out loud. You think, what if I say it wrong? What if someone laughs at me? Because of these thoughts, you stay silent. But the truth is, every fluent English speaker you see today was once a beginner who made many mistakes. They did not become fluent by being perfect. They became fluent by practicing without fear. Mistakes are not something to avoid. They are something to learn from. Every mistake teaches you something new. If you keep waiting to speak perfect English, you will never start. So instead of fearing mistakes, accept them, learn from them, and keep moving forward. That is the only way to grow. Another major reason is lack of speaking practice. Many learners spend a lot of time watching English videos, listening to podcasts, or reading books. These are good habits, but they are not enough. English is not just knowledge. It is a skill. And every skill improves only with practice. Imagine trying to learn swimming by just watching videos without entering the water. It will never work. In the same way, you cannot learn to speak English without actually speaking. Even if you know many words, if you don't practice speaking, your confidence will not grow. Start with simple sentences. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. Speak in front of a mirror. It may feel strange at first, but slowly it will become natural. The more you speak, the more comfortable you will feel. Practice is the bridge between learning and speaking. Overthinking is another hidden problem that stops you from speaking English. Many people try to translate every sentence from their native language into English before speaking. This makes the process slow and stressful. Your brain gets confused and you lose confidence. By the time you form the sentence, the moment to speak is already gone. Instead of translating, you need to train your mind to think directly in English. Start small. Use simple words and short sentences. For example, instead of thinking a long sentence in your language, just say, I am hungry, or I need water. Keep it simple. Overthinking creates pressure, but simplicity creates confidence. The more you practice thinking in English, the faster and easier speaking will become. Remember, communication is more important than perfection. Many learners fail because they try to learn everything at the same time. They focus on grammar rules, vocabulary lists, pronunciation, and fluency all together. This creates confusion and makes learning feel difficult and stressful. When your mind is overloaded, you lose interest and motivation. But learning English is not about doing everything at once. It is about taking small, simple steps. Focus on one thing at a time. Start with basic sentences. Practice them daily. Slowly add new words and ideas. Just like building a house, you need a strong foundation first. You cannot build the roof without building the base. If you stay consistent with small steps, your progress will be steady and strong. Learning slowly is better than quitting completely. The final and most important reason is lack of consistency and patience. Many people start learning English with excitement, but they stop after a few days when they don't see quick results. They expect to become fluent in a short time, and when it doesn't happen, they feel disappointed and give up. But the truth is, learning English is a journey, not a quick result. It takes time, effort, and daily practice. Even 10 minutes of practice every day is powerful if you do it consistently. Progress may feel slow at first, but over time, it becomes visible. You will start understanding more, speaking more, and feeling more confident. Patience is the key. If you trust the process and keep going, one day you will realize that the fear is gone and you are speaking English naturally. Small daily effort creates big success.